The soothing static. Unpacking the science behind white noise and sleep. In the quest for a good night's sleep, many have turned to the seemingly simple solution of white noise. From dedicated machines to smartphone apps mimicking its static-like hum, white noise has gained popularity as a sleep aid, promising to mask disruptive sounds and usher in peaceful slumber. But does this ubiquitous sound truly hold the key to better sleep? Or is it just another fleeting trend in the ever-evolving world of sleep hygiene? The answer, as with many aspects of sleep science, is nuanced and warrants a closer look at how white noise works, its potential benefits, and the scientific evidence supporting its efficacy. Understanding white noise, a symphony of all frequencies. To understand how white noise might aid sleep, it's crucial to first grasp what it actually is. The term, white noise, draws an analogy from white light, which comprises all the colors of the visible spectrum at equal intensities. Similarly, white noise is a sound that contains all audible frequencies, those between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz that the human ear can perceive, played at roughly equal intensity or amplitude. This results in a consistent, broadband sound often described as a hissing static, similar to the sound of an untuned radio, a running fan, an air conditioner, or even gentle rainfall. The key characteristic of white noise is its ability to mask other sounds. Our brains are naturally attuned to changes in sound. A sudden door slam, a barking dog, or the rumble of traffic can easily jolt us awake or disrupt the delicate stages of sleep. White noise, by creating a consistent auditory backdrop, can effectively cover up these abrupt and disruptive noises, making them less noticeable to our sleeping minds. The potential benefits. Why people turn to the shush sound. The appeal of white noise as a sleep aid stems from several potential benefits. Masking environmental noise. This is the primary reason people use white noise. By creating a consistent soundscape, it can effectively drown out intermittent and unpredictable noises from the environment, such as traffic, neighbors, or household sounds, allowing for more undisturbed sleep. This can be particularly beneficial for those living in noisy urban environments or with housemates on different schedules. Promoting relaxation. For some individuals, the steady, predictable sound of white noise can be inherently calming and soothing. It can create a sense of auditory comfort, helping to quiet a racing mind and induce a state of relaxation conducive to sleep. Aiding sleep onset. Studies have suggested that white noise might help individuals fall asleep faster. The consistent auditory input could potentially reduce the brain's sensitivity to sudden sounds that might otherwise delay sleep onset. Improving sleep maintenance. By effectively masking disruptive noises, white noise can also help people stay asleep for longer periods, preventing those brief awakenings caused by environmental disturbances that can fragment sleep and reduce its overall quality. Potential for tinnitus relief. While not directly related to sleep for everyone, white noise is sometimes used as a sound therapy tool for individuals with tinnitus, a condition characterized by a persistent ringing or buzzing in the ears. The consistent sound of white noise can help to mask the internal noise of tinnitus, making it less bothersome and potentially aiding sleep for those affected. The scientific evidence. A mixed bag of results. While anecdotal evidence and personal experiences often paint a positive picture of white noise as a sleep aid, the scientific research on its effectiveness presents a more complex and somewhat mixed landscape. Studies on infants. Some earlier research, dating back to the latter half of the 20th century, suggested that white noise could help newborns fall asleep faster and reduce crying. However, More recent guidelines from organizations like the American Academy of Pediatrics caution against the excessive use of white noise for infants due to potential risks to hearing development if played too loudly or for prolonged periods. Studies on adults. Research on the effects of white noise on adult sleep has yielded varying results. Some studies have shown promising outcomes, such as a reduction in sleep onset latency, the time it takes to fall asleep, and improved sleep quality, particularly in noisy environments or for individuals experiencing transient insomnia. For instance, a study in a noisy area of New York City found that white noise helped residents fall asleep faster and spend more time asleep. Similarly, white noise has shown potential in improving sleep quality for patients in intensive care units, where noise levels are often high. The need for more robust research, however, a recent analysis of multiple studies examining the impact of white noise on sleep concluded that the quality of existing evidence is questionable, and further rigorous research is needed before widespread recommendations can be made. Some studies have even suggested that white noise might disrupt certain sleep stages or have no significant benefit at all. Important considerations and potential downsides. While white noise can be a helpful tool for some, it's essential to be aware of potential downsides and use it responsibly. Hearing safety. Prolonged exposure to loud noise, including white noise, can potentially damage hearing over time. It's crucial to keep the volume at a safe and comfortable level, ideally no louder than a normal conversation. Some experts recommend keeping the sound level around 45 decibels. Potential for dependence. Some individuals may become reliant on white noise to fall asleep, potentially making it harder to sleep in quiet environments. To avoid this, consider alternating its use with other calming sounds or quiet periods. Masking important sounds. While masking disruptive noises is the goal, white noise could also inadvertently mask important sounds like alarms or the cries of a child. Individual variability. The effectiveness of white noise can vary significantly from person to person. What one person finds soothing, another might find irritating or unhelpful. Experimentation is key to determine if it works for you. Not a solution for underlying sleep disorders. White noise is a tool to manage environmental noise and promote relaxation. It is not a treatment for underlying sleep disorders like insomnia, sleep apnea, or restless legs syndrome. If you are experiencing chronic sleep difficulties, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Beyond white noise. Exploring other, colored noises. The concept of using sound to aid sleep has expanded beyond white noise to include other, colored noises, such as pink noise and brown noise. Pink noise. Similar to white noise in that it contains all frequencies, but the lower frequencies are played at a higher intensity, creating a deeper, more even sound often compared to the sound of rain or ocean waves. Some research suggests that pink noise might be more beneficial for sleep, potentially enhancing deep sleep and even improving memory recall. Brown noise, red noise. This type of noise has even more emphasis on the lower frequencies, resulting in a deeper, rumbling sound like a waterfall or a strong wind. While research on brown noise and sleep is limited, some individuals find its deeper tones more soothing. Ultimately, the best color of noise for sleep often comes down to personal preference. Conclusion. A potential aid, not a universal cure. So, can white noise really help you sleep better? The answer is a qualified, it might. For many individuals, particularly those struggling with disruptive environmental sounds, white noise can be a valuable tool to mask these disturbances, promote relaxation, and potentially improve sleep onset and maintenance. However, the scientific evidence is not yet conclusive, and individual responses can vary greatly. If you're considering using white noise for sleep, it's essential to do so responsibly. Keep the volume at a safe level, be mindful of potential dependence, and recognize that it's not a substitute for addressing underlying sleep issues or practicing good sleep hygiene. Experiment with different sounds and volumes to find what works best for you, and if you have concerns about your sleep, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. The quest for better sleep is a personal one, and white noise may be one piece of the puzzle for some, but not necessarily for all.